We're going to test out my fidget spinner, but first, where is it? So, let's do a magic trick. 1, 2, 3. Oh, bam! What? It's right here. Okay, guys. First of all, we are going to do a spin test.
And we're going to see how long it takes. And I'm going to show you how long it takes, how long the fidget spinner spins.
Go.
Boy, this is everything.
Probably won't spin that long because it does not have bearings in it. It does not. So it's probably a bad fidget spinner, but it lights up, so that's good. Hey.
And it's about to give up. And
we're at
5. There. 3. It stopped at 31 seconds. So that is... Well, I hope y'all enjoyed this fidget spinner video, and
we'll see you again. Subscribe and like
this video.
Bye. Fidget spinner.